Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and I'd like to invite you to participate in observing my YouTube channel's upcoming 4th anniversary and to celebrate all things Porsche in this spring's annual All Porsche Build-Off and Giveaway. This is an open invitational to everyone. The guidelines are simple. Choose any casting by any maker in any scale size. It just has to be a Porsche. Customize it in any way you wish. There are absolutely no restrictions for that. The one and only unbendable rule is that everyone, in the spirit of generosity, has to pay it forward and give their build away when it's finished. The date for posting a video or pics on your social media site is Saturday, March 16th, so you've got lots of advance notice. If you don't have an online presence, you can still join in. Each of the participants will be eligible for several draw prizes on a Porsche-related theme. Each of you should send one high-quality 16:9 glamour pic to me at MapleLeafCustoms@icloud.com by the upload date so I can make a recap video featuring your Porsche. Be sure to use hashtag MLC Porsche 4 in the title or description so we can easily locate all of the great builds. Comment below to let me know you'll be participating this year. I sure hope you will. Updates will be posted as the date approaches, so stay tuned. Thanks for visiting today. It's coffee time.